The draw for anybody looking in La Playa is getting as close to the water as they can. And if they can't get close to it, they want to be certain that they have a view of it.
You drive up to this house, Armada Terrace, you don't know what to expect. You know you're gonna be on a great street, that's for sure. You know, you have a historical story here, built in the late 1930s, Spanish eclectic architectural style, set back, set up to really take advantage of those views.
What I love about Point Loma, and I live here, so I can speak to this firsthand, is it is such an understated coastal community, but I think has more cultural significance than any other coastal community in San Diego. The history here is significant, starting with the home that I'm standing in, being a part of the Portuguese fishing community, which was a large bedrock of this neighborhood for much of the 20th century. This home offers a lot of what people are looking for in La Playa. Not only is it historically designated, which accounts for significant tax savings, which everybody really enjoys. This home has multiple bedrooms on entry level and baths, all of its living areas. You've got a little over 4,000 square feet. You have the primary suite upstairs and probably the best views in the house. There's a balcony up there that you could sit at for hours and watch the world go by. Your lot's a little over 14,000 square feet, and it's beautifully terraced with a pool, a backyard area, and views for days.
What I think is kind of special about this street is that you're a little bit secluded and away from the hustle and bustle, but at the same token, you're within walking distance to a lot of the things that you would want within a neighborhood, whether that's restaurants or shops, multiple yacht clubs. Iconic street, fantastic views. You have the historic designation. Just for all those factors alone, I mean, it's just a great setup for that future buyer.